What if I'll show you a property that is near the mall, one of the major malls in the Philippines? It is near the airport. It is minutes away from the beach. And what if this property is in Puerto Princesa, Palawan, which ranked number 1 in World's Best Islands to Visit for 2025 by US News and World's Report? Will you be interested? If yes, stay tuned until the end and watch this video. Let me give you a quick tour of the property. This is Casa Mira Towers Palawan, and this is the exact location of the property. By the way, there are several roads in this area, and this road that we are going through, this is where the towers 1 and 2 is facing. With our diorama, we are on this road, and in here, the map, we are on this road. This is the actual road going to the main road. But there's another road on the other side that is the shortcut going to Robinson's Place. That is where I came from last time. If you haven't seen my vlog, my last vlog before this one, go check the link above. So our driver is going slower on this point because he knows that I am filming this. And as you can see, this is how Puerto Princesa is within the city. Right now, it has wide roads already, but then they still preserve their trees, which is great. And this is what I love about this city because they still have, or their city is 66% greens, or there are a lot of plants everywhere. And they ensure to plant more trees every year. So right now, we are here on the main road. Let me fast forward this a bit because our driver is taking a slow turn here. And now this is the main road. On this area at this time, there's no traffic. But on the other side, there has a traffic because there's a road widening that's ongoing. And there are detours of the vehicles. So on this area, we can now see the Robinsons. And can you see that truck that has U-turned? That is the fastest way to access from Casa Mira Towers Palawan going to Robinsons. And that is where I walked as well on my previous vlog. And as you can see, that is how close that alley is to Robinsons. And across Robinsons is the Starbucks. And as you also saw a while ago, I focused on the Adventist Hospital, which is the corner landmark of that alley, which, if you can understand, it is also near a hospital. So Casa Mira Towers is near the hospital, near the Robinsons Mall, and right now we are going to the BM Beach, which is also minutes away from Casa Mira Towers Palawan. So right now we're having a U-turn to go back to that alley from where I have told you that I walked before. So on this side was the Starbucks. Here is the clearer clip of this area. And now we're going to go inside the alley where I told you the shortcut to Casa Mira Towers Palawan. And this is also the way going to the BM Beach. So there is the Adventist Hospital. And this is the straight way going to the BM Beach. Also, I will pinpoint later the alley where the Casa Mira Towers Palawan is. Do note our driver here is taking this very slow. So this crossing here is the way on my right side. That is the way going to Casa Mira Towers Palawan. So there you go. You can see the construction there. And when you go straight in this way, is going to the BM Beach. Let me fast forward on this point because our driver is very slow at this time. So can you see the little signage there? That is LS Garden Villa. That is where I stayed. If you want to know about that economical but very worth it stay, click on the link above. I made a tour about that place. So from Casa Mira Towers going to the BM Beach, it will take about around 10 to 12 minutes. And for me, this distance is not walkable, but it is still close to the beach. So this is just a straight way going to BM Beach. As you can see, I didn't skip, I didn't cut, even though the filming is not good, for you to see the actual road that you will take. And so we can now see the beach. Now this is the BM Beach of Puerto Princesa, Palawan, the beach close to Casa Mira Towers, Palawan. You will ask me, what's in it for you? Okay, we've seen and understand the location. But what's inside that condominium that will make it special? Since our building is under construction, here is the artist's perspective of the condo. So Casa Mira Towers has a swimming pool. This is the clubhouse aerial view. We have a chapel. And we also have a gym. Now let me give you a tour of our model unit. This is the one-bedroom unit of Casa Mira Towers, Palawan. Already included is the ceramic tile floor finish, built-in kitchen cabinet or countertop, high-quality bathroom fixtures and finish. Now here's our most sellable unit, and this is the bare and actual deliverable of our studio unit, 20 square meters. So we have here also our actual toilet and bath deliverable with the shower and the toilet seat here and the tiles and the sink. It also comes with a kitchen countertop, and the studio units have no balcony, so only windows like this. But this time it's 2025 and we are still on our pre-selling period. This is the actual construction and it is now ongoing. Towers 1 and 2 will be turned over on 2028, 3 and 4 on 2029, 5, 6, and 7 on 2030. So what are you waiting for? If you want to invest in this property, the best time is now. Hi there, I'm Elle. I'm an accredited sales agent of Casa Mira Towers, Palawan. Comment below if you're interested in this property and I will surely get back to you. You can also check the description of this video for you to know where to message me about this property. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next vlogs.